I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Audi A6 with its physical key. First, you'll need to find the emergency key that is cleverly concealed within your main key fob. Look for a small button on the side or back of the fob. Pressing it will release the metal key. This tiny, yet mighty, key is your only way to manually access your vehicle if the remote battery is dead or malfunctioning. It's a simple but often overlooked feature. Next, direct your attention to the driver's side door handle. You might notice a small, often inconspicuous, cover or cap on the handle itself. This is designed to blend in seamlessly with the car's aesthetics. Carefully use the tip of your physical key or a small flat tool to gently pry off this cap. Beneath it, you will discover the traditional keyhole, ready for manual operation. Now, with the keyhole exposed, take your physical key and insert it completely into the lock cylinder. Once it's fully seated, turn the key firmly. Depending on your specific Audi A6 model, you will turn it either clockwise or counterclockwise to engage the unlocking mechanism. You should hear a satisfying click, indicating that the door's locking system has disengaged, allowing you to open it. Congratulations, you're now inside your Audi A6. If the issue was a dead key fob battery, you can now replace it. You might also need to access the car's main battery, which is typically under the hood, to jump-start the vehicle if it's completely dead. Always refer to your Audi's owner's manual for specific instructions on battery replacement or any further troubleshooting. Stay safe on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.